Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 408 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation that I just got from ULTA, and this is a new product. It cost $32 and it comes in 48 shades. The shade range is so nice. I actually saw it in store today and it really did look so great. They have very fair to deep dark, so I really appreciate that. I have it in the shade 120 Light Nude, and I am a big fan of IT Cosmetics. I love their CC cream, their brow power, their creams, so I'm very excited to try this out, and it just sounds so good. It says, confidence in a foundation is your long-wearing, flawless-looking velvet matte finish, which I love that finish, foundation that gives you all-day confidence every time you wear it, plus up to 24 hours of wear and hydration. So that sounds so great for my combination skin, which has been extra dry on my chin lately. It says, perfect for even sensitive skin, this oil-free foundation feels weightless on skin and is infused with hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid, squalane, and ceramides. So let's see how this looks. Ooh, beautiful packaging. It's got frosted glass. And it has the pump. All right, so what I'm going to do is apply it to one side of my face using a brush, and then I'll use a sponge on the other side of my face. And I did already go ahead and prime my skin, so that way I'm giving this foundation the most fair chance, and I'm applying it the way that I would normally apply my foundation. So going in with my Kabuki foundation brush, I'm going to take up one pump onto the back of my hand. And here you can see the texture. It does have kind of a moussey texture. It's not a very runny liquid. And I'm very interested to see how this is going to be at covering up my redness along my cheeks here, and also how it does with the large pores along my cheeks and my nose. And I'm really feeling like the pigment is really good. I took like 1.5 pumps because the first pump didn't come out completely onto the back of my hand, and I feel like that's enough to do my entire face. It is applying kind of yellow toned on my skin, especially noticing that on my forehead. And my skin is more of a pink undertone, so I may have actually chosen the wrong shade. So it is looking kind of dry and cakey, honestly. Even in places where my skin was not even very dry, like here along my cheeks and on my forehead, it's giving my skin a lot of texture and not looking very smooth. So maybe when I apply it with the dampened beauty sponge, it'll look a little better as far as texture, but when I'm looking up close, I'm not happy with how it's sitting on my skin right now. So my hair right now is looking pretty terrible because I just showered, so I didn't style it or anything yet, but oh my gosh, I took like the best shower before this because we just renovated the bathrooms in my house, and so I have a brand new gorgeous like marble tiled shower with like a luxurious shower head, and I used my FabFitFun products that are just like make me feel so luxurious, and they're just such great quality, like the Kate Somerville Exfoliate, the Dana Kadar body scrub, the hair mask. It just, oh, I love taking showers in my new shower and with my amazing new products. So I am not really liking the shade that I went with. It's very yellow, still on my skin, even after blending it out. So we're gonna try and ignore the shade and how it doesn't match me very well, but just trying to look at the quality of the product. And I will say it does look a little bit smoother when I applied it with the sponge compared to with the brush. It does look a little bit more cakey and textured, but it's not full coverage right now. And it claims to be full coverage, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit more and see how it builds up. It is buildable. As I'm layering it, I'm definitely getting more coverage. But wow, it is looking so cakey on the skin. It looks like it just sucked out all of the moisture from my skin. I will say, as far as the pores go, it's looking very smooth, not settling into my pores. And it's not really settling into any of my lines either, but it really does just look so cakey and unnatural up close. Let me do a zoomed in view so that you can see what I'm talking about. And so from a distance, I think that it looks good. It's giving me full coverage, but I am very picky about my foundations and I want them to be able to look good up close. So that is my reaction. I'm going to continue wearing this for the rest of the day. So to do a full wear test, I will put in the description box down below how this wore, how the texture held up, if it started to look worse as the day goes on. That's what I'm afraid of, but I'm going to just do it. And I really did like applying it with the sponge more. It did kind of help with that dry texture, but not as much as I would have liked. So all in all, this did not live up to my expectations. I'm not super impressed by this, and I would definitely reach for the CC cream over this one. Also, this one has no SPF to it, and a lot of the IT Cosmetics foundation products do. So I wish that it had that at least, but so anyways, I also want to call out that my giveaway to celebrate 2,000 subscribers is still open. So in the description box, I will tell you how you enter my giveaway. It's so easy, and it's to win a $20 ULTA gift card. So I really hope that you will enter. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.